Welcome to Joshua's Learning Hub.
Hi everyone. Today we're gonna show you the comparison of the beans in the Ziploc bag and the plastic bottle which we cut in half yesterday with the soil. First, we look at this. The red beans are not exploded yet, but the green beans do. Two green beans are about to grow roots. On the other hand, the green beans grow the roots very fast, all of them. And at the red, only one grew the roots. At the middle, at the R2. But for the green, it's all from G1 to G3. Now we're going to measure how many seeds did they roots. On day 0, these two doesn't have any change. But in the Ziploc bag, day 1, there's no change. Both beans don't have roots yet. At the day 1. At the day 1, the G1 is about 3 millimeters. At the G2, it's about 1 cm. At the G3, it's also about 1 cm. It's also about 1 cm. At the root of R1, it's nothing. It is 0 millimeters. And at the R2, it is one milliliter, and at the R3, it's also 0 millimeters. So what is this difference between this and this? At the Ziploc bag, no roots yet, but in this plastic bottle with the soil, 3 green beans and 1 red bean grew some roots. That's all for today, and I will see you on the part 3, which is on day 2. And see you again next time. Bye. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for notification. Bye.